Hello guys and girls, you join me in a very weird location. I'm in a Morrison's car park. Now I've been filming for most of the day, driving for most of the day, and I'm rather hungry. I've had nothing since breakfast. So I was thinking, it's something I've always wanted to do, McDonald's drive-thru. No, I've done a McDonald's drive-thru of course, but what I mean is I've always wanted to take an interesting car into a McDonald's drive-thru. I've seen people do it in supercars, I've seen people do it in aerial atoms, but I've never seen anyone do it in a Caterham until now. Amazingly, touch wood, and the steering wheel is wood, so good luck. Amazingly, it stayed dry all day. I've probably just jinxed myself, but hey, steady on sailor, blimey, come charging out like a bull, what's wrong with you? Anyway, I lose my train of thought. Yes, although I've been filming all day, it's been dry and I'm pretty sure it is meant to rain today. So far, so good. Oh, that Aston. Oh. Focus on the task in hand. I have just realised something. I'm sat on my wallet. I will need my wallet to pay for food. I didn't think about that one. Oh. Let me get my wallet out. 4-point harnesses are great for the track, but day to day they are a bit of a pain. Look at that, right by the seaside. Lovely. I can't see much of the sea because I'm so low down. I can see some of it, but not all of it. Oh, look at that! Sunshine! Sunshine! Who'd have thought it? Yes, lovely. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. I know what you're thinking. He is an amazing singer. My head is about the same height as most of these SUVs' wheel arches. It's quite funny and also quite frightening at the same time. If you're self-conscious, this isn't the car to be driving. Getting so many looks, but I love it, it's fantastic. Right, where's this McDonald's? I feel like I can see the golden arches, yes. We are almost there. I think I may be getting a few looks. Yes, they appreciate that. This may just be the silliest thing I've ever done. Right, okay, got to watch out for that curb. Oh. We thought this was a good idea.
Hi, can I take your order, please?
Yes, can I have a big tasty with bacon meal, please?
Medium or large?
Large, please.
And what drink?
Can I have a strawberry milkshake? Oh, can I have no sauce in a burger, please?
Anything else?
No, that's fine, thank you.
Thanks, please drive around.
Marvellous. Now I'm hoping that the next desk or kiosk or whatever you want to call it isn't too high, because if it is, I will struggle. Although my arms are quite long, so I think we should be okay. They've clearly designed it for Caterhams in mind. Afternoon. Yeah, good, thanks, you? Good.
How they are? 709. Bit rigged up in here? Why are you so rigged up?
YouTube.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I thought, what silly thing could I do with this car? So I thought, this would be a good candidate.
I bet you're a bit like screwed doing it when it rains, isn't you?
Yes, this has no roof.
Yeah, I know.
But it's okay, I've got a super dry jacket.
Yeah.
It doesn't stay super dry for long, but never mind. Afternoon. Thank you very much. Is that everything? Is that everything? Marvellous, thank you very much. Right, time to find somewhere where I can eat it. See, some of you are thinking, why didn't you just park up and go into McDonald's. Well, where's the fun in that? I'd rather do the most silliest impractical thing going. Oh, hello. There we are, space in there. I don't think I've ever parallel parked to Caterham before. I think this might be a first for me. About to hit the curb, aren't I? Maybe not. Okay. Right. So it would be helpful if I had a wing mirror this side, but I don't. There we are, parked. Right. Worth it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this rather silly car obsession video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe for more car obsession. Hits the spot. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. I know what you're thinking. He is an amazing singer.